Hi everyone, this side Aquiqur Rahman. Today is my first class for gynecology and we have gynecology cycle and this is my classroom. You can see. So she is our teacher. Her name is Nilufar and she will teach us the topic physiology of labor. And here are some Indian students, the foreign students we are studying here. Gynecology class. So guys, welcome to the gynecology class.
Physiology of the labor. It's will be a short lecture for you. I know that it's not a new subject for you, yes? Right? You have the final course. And how we can put the diagnosis, she's pregnant or not? 3 minutes. When it is there in the right side, it's the second position of the baby. Okay? Good. This is the second maneuver. And the third?
The pelvic area.
Yes. The what?
Engagement.
It means that we have the partograph. Yes, this is our partograph. It means 5 fingers.
Yes, ma'am.
Of the opening. It means that one finger is 2 centimeters. Like this.